Hi everyone, welcome to my cheesy kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite brownie recipes, which is a chocolate and a cream cheese brownie swirl, which has a hint of the Britannia cream cheese in it. Britannia cream cheese is one of my favorite cream cheeses to either make cheesecakes or even the brownie that I'm going to show you today, because that hint of cheese is what is going to add a twist to the brownie. So without wasting any time, let me just dive right in and show you how to make it. So to make the cream cheese brownie swirls, we have to make two different layers. One is the cream cheese layer and the other is a chocolate brownie layer. So first, the cream cheese layer. So into a large mixing bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add in the Britannia cream cheese. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Then we'll go ahead and add in the second tub. The Britannia cream cheese has the authentic taste of the real cream cheese. Absolutely flavorful, rich, and when you make it into a brownie or a cheesecake, it's my go-to cream cheese to be using for all types of desserts. And it also spread like magic over toast if you want to put it over toast as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in the caster sugar, add in the vanilla extract, and we'll break in an egg. So I'm going to whisk all of them together until you get stiff peaks. So that's it. The cream cheese mixture is ready. Notice the stiff peaks and it's absolutely perfect. My next step is to show you how to make the chocolate brownies with real dark chocolate. So the first step is to melt the butter and the chocolate and make a nice chocolatey mixture. So I'm going to go ahead and add this in my double boiler. So I have a double boiler wherein there's water in a larger pan at the bottom, and I have another saucepan which I've kept over the water, and this is a great way to melt chocolate. Just going to go ahead and add the butter, and I have lots of dark chocolate chopped and kept. I'm just going to go ahead and add it in. So I'm going to just keep stirring this mixture, and the heat from the water will melt the chocolate. Notice the butter is already melting, so keep stirring it until the chocolate melts. I'm not going to sort of cook it or bring it to a boil. I just want it to become nice and smooth. Maybe in just about a minute or two, it'll be done. So notice the chocolate mixture has become nice and creamy. At this stage, I'm just going to go ahead and remove it out of the pan and then add in all the remaining ingredients for the brownie. So into the chocolate mixture, I'm just going to go ahead and add the sugar, a pinch of salt, vanilla extract. I'm going to go ahead and break in the eggs. And finally, I'm going to go ahead and add in the flour. And I'm going to mix this up all together until all of it gets well combined. You don't have to beat it at all. You just need to have like a nice smooth mixture of the brownie. And that's it. So after this, you know, put it into the greased pan and then layer it with cream cheese as well as the brownie layer, and then put it in the oven for baking. Alright, this is done and it's well combined. Now my next step is to layer it all together. So I have a pan here with me which I have greased it with butter on all the sides, and I also have dusted it with flour, so that that's the base of our pan, which is going to sort of where the brownie is going to bake and sit. Okay, so first step is to add in a layer of the brownie chocolate mixture first. I'm going to leave a little bit of the chocolate for the top, which is going to add to the swirl. Okay, so I'm just going to leave a little bit of that and spread the brownie mixture towards the bottom layer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in my cream cheese layer on the top and just gently just spread it over the chocolate mixture. So now that I have the cream cheese layer on the top, I'm just going to go ahead and ensure that you spread it. It doesn't have to be even. If a little bit of chocolate gets mixed into it, it's absolutely fine. The next is the final step, where I'm going to go ahead and spoon in dollops of the brownie mixture over multiple areas, and then after that we'll just create a swirl. And I'm just going to use a fork and then just run it over the white cream cheese mixture, and then do any design that you like. Okay, and that's it. So there you create like a swirl, and we'll just put it into the oven like that, and it'll taste really nice and look great too. Alright, the brownies swirls are ready, and I'm ready to put it in the oven for baking. The oven should be preheated at about 180 degrees centigrade for about 10 minutes, and once it's preheated, put the brownie into the oven and bake for about 30 minutes, 25, 30 to 40 minutes, depending upon the oven. You'll have to insert a tester inside and see if it comes out clean, then your brownies are done. Great. The brownies are done, and the way to test if they are done is to insert a knife in between and then check if it comes out clean, and if it comes out clean, then it's done. Allow the brownie to rest for about 5 minutes before you can cut it. So I'm just going to wait for it to rest and then cut it and then serve it. All right, ready to lift and show you how it looks. That looks really pretty and delicious, doesn't it? Let me check both the sides, and that side looks great too. Beautiful layers of the cream cheese and the brownie, moist and delicious, and that's how it should be. Okay, and I can't wait to take a bite. Absolutely creamy, moist and delicious. I love the flavor and taste of the Britannia cream cheese, which is added to these delicious chocolate brownies. You must give this recipe a try because it's absolutely simple, like I showed you, and ensure that you use Britannia cream cheese for this, and of course a really good quality dark chocolate. When you do, don't forget to take a snapshot of it and share your cheesy kitchen moments with us. Would love to hear from you. So until then, until next time, happy cooking and healthy eating.